Sweet! Want a sports car or that new purse? Who doesn't? We will show you exactly how to earn passive income with Amazon. The Genius Academy is a proven formula that had worked for hundreds of people just like yourself. Even if you aren't technologically savvy, even if you haven't the slightest clue how to start or what to sell, Genius Academy teaches you how to start your own business, build and trademark your brand. It will show you exactly how to find winning products that sell, how to source products, templates included, creating a listing on Amazon.com for the world to see, how to scale. With over 12 years of combined experience selling on Amazon, the Genius Academy will fast-track your success in half the time, removing all the guesswork. It will save you thousands of dollars in mistakes that were already made perfecting this blueprint, so you don't have to. Click and register now for this completely free training and follow the exact Genius Academy blueprint.